The India-Australia Civil Nuclear Energy Agreement has become the center of a political exchange between the Congress and the BJP, with both parties claiming credit for laying the foundation for Australia's uranium exports to India. The Congress on July 10th challenged the BJP's claim that the agreement was a diplomatic breakthrough under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh said Australia had decided to permit uranium sales to India as early as December 2011, when then Australian Prime Minister Julia Gillard secured approval from her party following the India-US Civil Nuclear Agreement of 2008. His remarks came after BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya said Australia had refused to sell uranium to India in 2010 because India was not a signatory to the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty. He claimed that the agreement signed under Prime Minister Narendra Modi reflected India's transformed global standing and growing strategic partnership with Australia. The Congress, however, maintained that the latest pact was made possible because of the India-US Nuclear Cooperation Agreement, which became law in October 2008. Ramesh also noted that the BJP had opposed that agreement at that time. The debate follows the signing of a series of agreements between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese, covering civil nuclear energy, defence, maritime security, critical minerals and technology cooperation. The Civil Nuclear Agreement will facilitate the commercial supply of Australian uranium for India's nuclear energy program.